Does vinegar completely remove smoke smell from clothes and other materials?
Welcome to today's video where we'll be answering the question, does vinegar completely remove smoke smell from clothes and other materials? We'll break down the effectiveness of vinegar in removing smoke odors, how to use it, and discuss some alternative methods to keep your belongings smelling fresh.
How effective is vinegar in removing smoke smell?
Vinegar is a popular, natural cleaning agent that has been proven to help reduce smoke smell from clothes and other materials. It works by neutralizing and breaking down the odor molecules. However, while vinegar can reduce the smell of smoke, it may not be able to completely remove it, especially if the odor is deeply ingrained.
How to use vinegar to remove smoke smell from clothes?
To use vinegar for removing smoke smell from clothes, follow these steps. 1. Pre-soak your clothes. Fill a basin or sink with equal parts warm water and white distilled vinegar. Add your smoke-smelling clothes to the solution and let them soak for at least 30 minutes to an hour. 2. Wash as usual. After pre-soaking, wash the clothes in the washing machine with your regular detergent. For an extra boost, add 1 cup of vinegar to the rinse cycle. 3. Air dry. Hang your clothes outside in the fresh air to dry. Sunlight and breeze can help to further neutralize any remaining smoke odors.
How to use vinegar to remove smoke smell from other materials?
For other materials, such as upholstery or carpets, use the following method. 1. Create a vinegar spray. Mix equal parts water and white distilled vinegar in a spray bottle. 2. Test for color fastness. Spray a small, inconspicuous area of the material first to ensure it doesn't discolor or damage the fabric. 3. Spray and blot. Spray the affected area with the vinegar solution and let it sit for a few minutes. Blot with a clean, dry cloth to remove excess moisture. 4. Air dry. Allow the material to air dry completely. This may take a few hours, depending on the material and humidity.
What are some alternative methods to remove smoke smell?
If vinegar isn't providing the desired results, you can try the following alternatives. 1. Baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets, upholstery, or inside shoes and let it sit for several hours or overnight. Vacuum or shake out the excess baking soda to remove the odor. 2. Activated charcoal. Place a bowl of activated charcoal near the smelly item or in a closed space, such as a closet, for a few days to absorb the odors. 3. Steam cleaning. For upholstery and carpets, steam cleaning can help to remove deep-set smoke odors. In conclusion, vinegar is an effective, natural solution for reducing smoke smell from clothes and other materials, but it may not completely remove the odor in all cases. Don't forget to try the alternatives mentioned above if vinegar alone isn't doing the trick. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns about using vinegar to remove smoke smell from your belongings.